Now we say my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! You did good, Arlo! Yay! Look at him!
Oh, let's sing it
You
again.
can sing dwarfs.
Yes. Okay,
can
you
sing
ready?
some.
Okay.
Wanna try it again?
Hey, Otto, what's that other song that Walden sings sometimes? It plays on the piano. Do you remember that one? Come here, let me tell you what it is.
Ready?
And see if you can sing it. How about
Does
this
she
one?
know a new song?
Do you remember this one? You can't always get. Do you remember that one?
That's
Can you sing that one?
right here.
You can't always get what you want.
Oh.
You can't always get what you want.
Oh.
Then sing ABC.
Oh, ABC.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
A,
B, C,
D, E, F, G, H, I, K, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
and
Oh, I need to.
oh yeah.
What? W, X.
X, Y, and Z. Now, ABC. Next, I want to sing with me.
Very good. Good job, Otto. You are a good singer.
You're good. He's a good singer. Yes, he is. Otto, where'd you learn to say your ABCs?
Yeah.
Yeah? He is a smart boy. I know he is.
Let's sing Tingle, Tingle. That's how I talk.
Okay, we can sing
Oh,
that.
good.
Twinkle,
Twinkle, little star, how I wonder that you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle,